My name is Tschabalala Self. My nickname is Shaba. These are 3 works that I've contributed to this exhibition, The Beyond. All of my works, even though I consider them to be painting, are made more from an ensemblage perspective. In my studio, I have various materials, old paintings, fabrics that I've collected, other works and debris. Bit by bit, they all become reused and repurposed into these finished works. Even though your body is one form, it's comprised of a lot of different things. Some materials are failed work, some materials are something I purchased, some materials are something I found. I think I can kind of give them a real personality. So in doing that, they are more akin to a real person. Even though they're one whole piece, they're an accumulation of a lot of different feelings, emotions, ideas. The fact that the pieces do lean to some degree towards abstraction, I think kind of softens some of what's depicted. But ultimately, I just try to encourage people to look at each piece as like an exercise. It's an exercise in form, concept, function, materiality, and also as exploration of the figure, especially the female figure. I encourage people not to bring any kind of like preconceived notions towards or any kind of expectations. This is more to understand it as like a vessel by which we've all been able to come into this experience together. I think it's very important to have an understanding of the female form and appreciation for one.